Hi, I am Mrs. Hart, and I will be your third grade teacher this year. I am looking forward to meeting you and having a fun-filled year of learning. Let me give you a tour of our classroom and show you our reading, handwriting, and math book.
Hi, third grade friends. I'm Miss Selesky and I'm going to be helping out in your third grade class this year. I can't wait to see all of the hard work you accomplish, and I'm so excited to get to help you. See you soon.
Here at school for in-person learning, I will look like this with my mask on. This is how I'll look when you see me with my mask off through your computer screen. I look forward to meeting you soon and getting to know you. See you soon.